Buckle up, DIY lovers. Get ready to transform your living space into a haven of creativity and style. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, these tips and tricks will inspire you to take your home decor game to the next level. So, grab your tools and let's dive in. These 10 home decor hacks will blow your mind. First up, wall art. It's one of the easiest ways to make a big impact. You don't need to be a professional artist to create something beautiful. Grab some canvas, paint, and let your creativity flow. Abstract designs, geometric patterns, or even simple brush strokes can add a personal touch to your walls. The best part? You can customize the colors to match your existing decor, or frame your favorite quotes for an instant mood boost. Choose words that inspire you, make you laugh, or remind you of special moments. Need something mess-free? Try washi tape wall art for a quick transformation. This versatile tape comes in endless patterns and colors, allowing you to create unique designs without the commitment of paint. Plus, it's easy to remove and change up whenever you feel like it. Next, give old furniture a facelift. Don't throw away that worn-out piece just yet. With a little effort, you can breathe new life into it. Repaint, refinish, or slap on some stick-on wallpaper. These simple changes can make a huge difference. Experiment with bold colors or patterns to create a statement piece that stands out. Add some greenery with DIY plant stands, easy and chic. Plants not only purify the air but also add a touch of nature to your home. You can create plant stands from wood, metal, or even repurpose old items. Mason jars for kitchen essentials, DIY shelf dividers, and hanging organizers for tight spaces. Stylish and practical. These solutions help you keep everything in its place while adding a rustic charm to your kitchen. Lighting sets the vibe, so make it cozy. The right lighting can transform any room into a warm and inviting space. Fairy light jars, DIY candle holders, and creative paper lanterns can do wonders. These small touches create a magical atmosphere, perfect for relaxing evenings or entertaining guests. For accent walls, think stencils, photo collages, or even hanging plants. Personalized and stunning. These ideas allow you to showcase your personality and make your space truly unique. Don't forget table decor. Mason jar vases, seasonal runners, and elegant candle displays. These elements can tie your room together and create a cohesive look. And if you have outdoor space, string lights, vertical gardens, and pallet seating can transform it into a cozy retreat. Imagine enjoying a cup of coffee or hosting a small gathering in your beautifully decorated outdoor area. Last but not least, personalize with DIY name boards, memory frames, and handmade cushions. These personal touches make your home feel warm and inviting, reflecting your unique style and memories. Which DIY idea was your favorite? We hope these ideas have sparked your creativity and inspired you to start your next project. Let us know in the comments. We love hearing about your DIY adventures and seeing your amazing creations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor hacks. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your home a beautiful and cozy sanctuary.